In this video, I'll show you how to use OP AutoClicker. So first of all, you need to download it and install it. Many people don't know where to do that from. So you can just go to any browser and type opautoclicker.com, as you can see right here, and it should take you to this option. Here you can download, as you can see, in your phone if you want to, using Google Play or App Store. You can download it as example on the browser as extension here, and you can also download it from Microsoft Store if you want to. So once it's downloaded and installed, you will see this window right here. Of course, it's commonly used in games, repetitive clicking, or just some testing some apps. So first of all, how can we use it? First of all, we'll have to choose how fast it clicks. As you can see, the clicks interval right here. So do you want it to click every minute, every second, every millisecond, every something? It's up to you to choose. As an example for me, let's just say I want to use it every 1 second and 100 milliseconds. So if you choose 1 hour, it will wait 1 hour, 1 second, 100 milliseconds, and then it will click. Of course, smaller number means faster clicking. So after that, you will need to choose the mouse, basically buttons and tabs. Or first, we have this random offset. So if you enable this random offset and you have here 40 milliseconds, that means it will click randomly between, as example, if you have 100, it will click between 60 and 140. So if you choose a year like 50, it will click between 50 milliseconds and 150 milliseconds. So basically, this is add and remove from the time that you put here, and it will basically choose a random time between that. So if you don't want random times, if you want specific times, make sure to disable that. Here you will have to choose click options, like do you want a right click, middle click, or left click? And the click time, do you want it to be a single click or a double? Here, do you want it to be repeated or not? So do you want it to be repeated this specific amount of times or repeat until it stops? And here you will have to choose location. You can either choose the current location where you will leave the mouse at, or you can pick a location. Click on pick a location and just go with your mouse to the location that you want, as example this one, and choose a simple click. So once you choose a simple click, as you can see, the location of your mouse will be selected here, and every time you choose this auto click, it will be clicking at that exact time. So now you have here start and stop. Usually the hotkey for that is F6, and you can change it however you want from here. So instead of F6, choose whatever you want. So for me, I'm going to click on start, and as you can see, it's clicking right there. If I move my mouse somewhere, it will go back there and click. So to show you that, let me just go stop it. I'm going to choose right click. If I right click here, it will show this, right? So let's start it now. And as you can see, it shows this. So I'm not clicking, here's my mouse, and it's clicking every second and 100 milliseconds. Let me stop it. Of course, you can stop it and start it using your keyboard shortcuts, so it can be very easy. And that's how you basically use it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.